Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in. Red hour receipt now. Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow?
Grandpa, chase me.
What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abrawe, Uncle Tabu, a dead and Danny, the planet or Dutch, 45 city, intimate Tordine. No sweet Miss Ever Dutch. 5 weeks this year, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. Down this year. Make a flower.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selenium.
True.
You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey, Charity School is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all cost. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Adwa, listen. Our son will attend the school at all cost.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. Metro Jupiter is here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Try me to pay. Help you make the most of your money. Needs send fire to pay. Try me to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
We are pleased to introduce you to our 3D Science application. 3D Science is an innovative science application designed to revolutionize the teaching of STEM, particularly biology, physics, and chemistry in the classroom. The application works offline, requires no internet after initial download, and is very affordable. We encourage school from basic level to tertiary and parents to engage us on how to benefit from the 3D Science application. The application is suitable for GES syllabus, Cambridge, and the American Common Core. For more info, contact Knowledge Resort on call or WhatsApp.
From Ghana to the rest of the world, taking you to many exciting destinations around the world. Our trained experts perfect every journey. We search for what's special. We find out what truly matters. We take your experience to another level and make you feel special. Fresh starts, new destinations, carefully selected hotels, and hand-picked attractions. We have touched millions of lives with our world-class service and warm African hospitality. When others see restrictions, we see opportunity. Visas are no longer barriers. We don't see clients, we see family. We are global. We will continue to grow, to challenge and drive change and creativity in the tourism industry. Our dancer travels, feel life's beauty.
College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision-making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak, but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us, where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.
Want to collaborate visually during your Google Meet calls? Let's set it up in just a few simple steps. Click on Collaboration, then New Collab and hit Start. Next, click Sign in with Google Meet to link your board to a live session. Once you're inside your Google Meet, just click on Collab and sign in instantly. Start teaching, brainstorming, or collaborating live directly on the Collab board while your team or class follows along in real time. Once you're done collaborating, you can always save your work and access it anytime.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. You are welcome to the 1/8 stage of the 2025 National Championship of the National Science and Maths Quiz. In this first contest, we have Effiduase Senior High Commercial School, Ghana National College, and Tema Secondary School. Let's meet the schools and the contestants. Effiduase Senior High Commercial School is represented by
Ajekum Henry and Asumadu Florentine Ajimai.
Effiduase, tell us about your experience through the prelim stage and what should we expect from you?
Yes, throughout the preliminary stage, it was tough and difficult, but through God, we are here, and we are here to show working.
Okay, best wishes to you. Ghana National College is our seeded school in this contest, and they are represented by
David Atimpu,
Obin Nyame Ransford,
Ghana National College. You are joining us at this stage. Tell us about your preparations towards the national championship and what should we expect from you?
So our preparations have not been that easy and we've been through a lot. But by the grace of God, we hope to come out victorious and glorify His name.
Okay, best wishes to you. Our third school in this contest is Tema Secondary School, and they are represented by
De Emmanuel Nueno,
Prince Ekwaji Kwame,
Tema Secondary School. How was your experience at the prelim stage, and what should we expect from you?
Okay, so we learned a lot in the preliminary stage, and we hope that the God that brought us here will make us do exploits today.
Okay, best wishes to you as well. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Momo from MTN, Joy News, Pepsodent, Prudential Life Insurance, Jupe Money Transfer, Truster AI, Adanse Travels, Rewand Air, Kibo Gari, Spain City Laundromat, Coronation Insurance, Secure Sanitary Pad, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Imago from Hashcom, GTP, and YFM. My name is Dr. Thelma Ohineje. I'm a senior lecturer at the School of Pharmacy, University of Ghana, Legon, and I'm your quiz mistress. This is a Primetime production. To our schools, we'll have this contest in 5 rounds. We'll start in round 1. And in this round, I would ask you questions to test your knowledge of concepts and theories in mathematics, chemistry, biology, and physics. If a question comes to your school and it involves calculations, you have 30 seconds to give an answer. If there are no calculations, I'll take your answer in 10 seconds. And for each question, you have 1 attempt at it. A correct answer will earn you 3 points. An incorrect answer means that question becomes available, and the first out of the 2 competing schools to ring their bell can answer as a bonus. When you answer a bonus question correctly, you earn 1 point. However, if your answer is incorrect, then there's a penalty point of 1. Best wishes once again to all the schools. In this round, I'll begin with Effiduase Senior High Commercial School. And also a note of caution. If you want to ring for a bonus, you wait for me to rule on the question or the school is bailed out before you ring, okay? So the contest is not disrupted. Okay. So our first question, and the contest starts with a preamble to all the schools. Find the scalar product of the vectors a plus b and a minus b given. Find the scalar product of the vectors a plus b and a minus b given Effiduase a equals 2i plus 3j and b equals I minus 4j. Yes, Effiduase.
-4.
Yes, that's correct. Ghana National, that's what I mean by disrupting the contest. So you don't ring your bell when they haven't answered, they still have time. Your own question. A equals 3i plus 4j and b equals 5i minus 12j.
-144.
Yes, that's correct. Tema Secondary School. A equals 2i minus 5j and b equals 4i minus 3j. Yes, Emmanuel.
4.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, so this is a preamble. Give the importance of the given activity during the test of starch in a leaf of a herbaceous plant. So I'll give you a certain activity. Tell me its importance when we are testing for starch in the leaf of a herbaceous plant. Effiduase, the leaf is boiled in water.
The leaf is boiled. This is done in order to kill the living cells in the leaf. That is, it is boiled to kill the living cells in the leaf.
And when you kill the cells in the leaf, what happens? Why are you?
So that they cannot photosynthesize.
2 out of 3. Ghana National. The leaf is boiled in methylated spirit.
Okay, so this is done to remove chlorophyll from the leaf to prevent further photosynthesis.
That is correct. Tema Secondary School. After boiling in methylated spirit, it is placed in warm water.
So it is placed in the warm water in order to soften the leaf.
Yes, that's correct. So, Effiduase, it is to kill the leaf and also stop all chemical reactions or all chemical processes. Okay, so that's the reason why you boil in water. A preamble. Find the flight time of a projectile launched from level ground at speed v and angle theta above the horizontal, given that find the flight time of a projectile launched from level ground at speed v and angle theta above the horizontal, given that, if you dare say, v equals 45 meters per second and theta is pi on 6. Yes, Henry.
4.5 seconds.
No. Tema.
4.6 seconds.
Yes, it's 4.6 seconds. Ghana National. V is 76 meters per second, and theta is pi on 4.
Okay. The flight time given by 1.1 by 10 exponent -1 seconds.
No. Yes, Tema Secondary.
5.4 seconds.
No. Tema Secondary. V equals 52 meters per second. And theta equals pi on 3. Go ahead, Emmanuel.
5.3 seconds.
No. A bonus. Yes, Ghana National.
9.2 seconds.
Yes, that's correct. And your own answer was 11 seconds. Give a preamble. Give the chemical formula of the named compound. Effiduase, nickel 3 phosphide.
Okay,
Yes.
so we have capital N, small I, capital P, subscript A, capital P.
Okay, that's correct. Ghana National, aluminium selenide.
You have capital E, small l, subscript 2. Capital S, small e, subscript 3.
That's correct. Tema, calcium phosphide.
Ca3P2.
Yes, that's correct. A preamble. Solve for x from the given equation. Okay. Solve for x from the given equation. Effiduase, the expression x minus 2 raised to the power, the expression x plus 1 equals 1. Yes, Henry.
X equals -1 or x equals 3.
Yes, that's correct. Ghana National, the expression x plus 2 raised to the power, the expression x minus 2. So x plus 2 to the power x minus 2 equals 1.
X is equal to 2 or x is equal to -1.
Yes, that's correct. Tema Secondary School, the expression 2x minus 1 raised to the power, the expression x minus 3 equals 1.
X is equal to 3 or x equals 1.
Yes, that's correct. A preamble. Give the biological suffix suffix used, so the preamble is give the biological suffix used, Effiduase, to denote a plant or plant-like organism.
We have phyto.
No, a bonus. Ghana National, to denote a class of algae within the larger algal group.
Fighter.
Repeat that.
Fighter.
Spell it.
Phyta.
No. Okay, I'll allow a bonus to Effiduase.
Phyto.
No. Tema, to denote characteristics related to leaves or foliage.
Phyloclade.
Come again.
Phyloclade.
Spell it.
P-H-Y.
Sorry, start again.
P-H-Y-L-L-O-C-A-D-E.
Oh, phyloclade. No, a bonus. When we say suffix, what do you understand by suffix? A word that ends something, right? So to denote a plant or plant organism, fight, not phyto, fight. And then Ghana National, FICE. Okay. And then Tema Secondary, Phylos. Phylos. Find the equivalent capacitance of 3 capacitors in series, given that their capacitances are. Find the equivalent capacitance of 3 capacitors in series, given that their capacitances are, Effiduase, 8.0 millifarad, 5.0 millifarad, and 4.0 millifarad. Yes, Henry.
We have 1.6 millifarad.
No. Yes, Tema.
1.7 millifarad.
Yes, it's 1.7. Ghana National, 20.0 millifarad, 10.0 millifarad, and 4.0 millifarad.
So you have 2.5 millifarad.
Yes, that's correct. Tema, 8.0 millifarad, 15.15 millifarad, and 30.0 millifarad. Go ahead with your answer if you are ready.
So it is given as 4.5 millifarad.
No. A bonus. So I have 4.4 millifarad. Effiduase. This is our last set of questions for the round. You have 30 seconds for this. A concentrated sulfuric acid solution is 96.0% sulfuric acid by mass and has a density of 1.80 gram per centimeter cube. Calculate the mass of pure sulfuric acid contained in 500.0 cm cube of this solution. Yes, go ahead.
The mass is given as 25 grams.
No. Tema secondary.
864 grams.
Yes, that's correct. Ghana National. A solution of ethanol is 88.0% by mass and has a density of 0.850 gram per centimeter cube. Calculate the mass of pure ethanol in 400.0 cm cube of this solution. Yes.
We have 299 grams.
Yes, that's correct. Tema secondary. A 65.0% by mass methanol solution has a density of 0.920 grams per cm cube. Calculate the mass of pure ethanol in 150.0 cm cube of this solution. Yes, go ahead. It's your main question. Answer.
Okay, so we have our mass to be 399 grams.
No. Yes. Ghana National.
89.
Go ahead.
89.7 grams. 89.7 grams.
Yes, that's correct. So at any time throughout the competition, when you ring your bell especially, wait for me to call you, okay, before you give your answer. That brings us to the end of round 1.
energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Boss, let's go back. Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much.
The first round. The scores are Effiduase Senior High Commercial School, 10 points. Tema Secondary School, 14 points. Ghana National College, 20 points. Round 2. So in round 2 is the speed race. And here we deal with speed or timeliness and accuracy. So what will happen is I'll throw out a question and it's open to all the schools at the same time. If you believe you have an answer, you ring your bell. When you ring your bell, wait for me to call your school because I'll determine who rang their bell first from the screen. When I call your school, you have 3 seconds to begin your answer. To begin the answer, not the paraphrasing of the answer, okay? If 3 seconds goes, you haven't begun your answer, I will call the next school and they will give the answer. So we'll go on like that so we have a correct answer. The first attempt at the answer is worth 3 points. So if you give a correct answer, you earn 3 marks. Second attempt, 2 points. Last attempt, 1 point. The catch here is anytime you give an incorrect answer or you ring your bell and don't say anything, you lose a point. Okay. The speed race is sponsored by Truster AI, your real-world experience. Our first question for the speed race. For this set of questions, they have 30 seconds. A sample absorbs 4.20 kilojoules of heat, causing its temperature to rise by 12.0 degrees Celsius. If the specific heat capacity of the material is 0.350 joules per gram degree Celsius, calculate the mass of the sample in kilograms. Ghana National.
We have 1.0 kilograms.
That's not correct. And you are even delaying. Yes, Effiduase.
We have 0.0500 kilograms.
No. So when they are giving the answer, don't ring the bell if they've started on the answer so that I can hear correctly what they are saying. Okay. 1.00 kilograms. Okay. Give the simplest ratio of coefficients of reactants and products in the same order as in the reaction. I'll take this again. Give the simplest ratio of coefficients of reactants and products in the same order as in the reaction. Silver nitrate plus calcium chloride gives silver chloride plus calcium nitrate when Ghana National. Oh, sorry, Effiduase.
We have the ratio to be 3:2.
No. When balanced. Ghana National, sorry.
2:1:2:1.
Yes, that's correct. Calculate the total volume of solution if 24.5 cm cube, 29 cm cube, and 3.558 cm cube of solution are combined. Yes, Tema secondary.
The volume is given as 47 centimeter cube.
No. Ghana National.
57 centimeters cube.
Yes, that's correct. Find the coordinates of the point of inflection of the curve y equals x cubed minus 2x plus 5. Yes, Tema secondary.
So we have our coordinates to be 0,5.
Yes, that's correct.
brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a GOIL station today and energize your ride with GOIL Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. GOIL Super XP. Ufilia. Huh? Ubefi. GOIL. Good energy. Yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Red now receive now.
Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see. She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent? Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow?
Grandpa, chase me.
What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abrawe, Uncle Tabu, a dead and Danny, the plan of Dutch, 45 city, intimate Jordan. No sweet Miss Eberborn Dutch. Fafus is here, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. That is this year.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selenum. True. You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey! Charity school is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all cost. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? SHCS. Listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. Make sure you is here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Try me to pay. Help you make the most of your money. Needs and fire to pay. Try me to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
We are pleased to introduce you to our 3D Science application. 3D Science is an innovative science application designed to revolutionize the teaching of STEM, particularly biology, physics, and chemistry in the classroom. The application works offline, requires no internet after initial download, and is very affordable. We encourage school from basic level to tertiary and parents to engage us on how to benefit from the 3D Science application. The application is suitable for GES syllabus, Cambridge, and the American Common Core. For more info, contact Knowledge Resort on call or WhatsApp.
Our next question for the speed race. Given sine A equals 1 on 2 and cos B equals root 2 on 2, with A and B both acute, find cos of the expression A minus B. Yes, Effiduase.
We have a fraction with a numerator of root 3 and numerator of 2.
No, I said no. Yes, next school. Which school?
A fraction with numerator.
Hold on.
Root 6.
Hold on. I said I have to call your school first. Which school rank? Ghana National. Go ahead.
A fraction with numerator root 6 plus root 2 and denominator 4.
Yes, that's correct. Find the distance from the origin to the line 3x plus 4y plus 20 equals 0. Yes, Ghana National.
4 units.
Yes, that's correct. So while I spoke to the person who rings the bell that when you are giving an answer, they shouldn't ring the bell. They are ringing the bell. Instead of you to go ahead with your answer, you are now going to start with a fraction with numerator. That's not an answer. Our next question. Find the arithmetic mean of 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters, 5 millimeters, 6 millimeters, 9 millimeters, and 17 millimeters. Yes, Tema Secondary.
7.2 millimeters.
No. Ghana National.
7 millimeters.
Yes, it's 7 millimeters. Find the maximum speed of a simple harmonic oscillator of amplitude 2 centimeters and frequency 4 hertz. 2 centimeters and 4 hertz. Yes, Ghana National College.
0.5 meter per second.
No. Yes, that's correct. That's correct. So my answer was in centimeters, so I had to do a quick conversion. Yes. Our next question. Find the square magnitude of the change in velocity of a particle moving at 5 meters per second when the direction of its velocity changes by 90 degrees without a change in speed. Yes, Tema Secondary. Go ahead.
50 meters squared, second to the power negative 2.
Yes, that's correct. What part of the cytoplasm of a cell is called the cortex? Ghana National.
The cytosol.
No. Cortex, okay. Tema Secondary.
The ectoderm.
The
ectoderm.
No. So the cortex of cytoplasm. the ectoplasm. Ectoplasm. What name is given to the conservation of species outside their natural habitat? Ex situ conservation, ex situ. Name the flexible tube-like structure in mammals that connects a developing fetus. Yes. Yes, Tema second.
Placenta.
No. Ghana National.
Umbilical cord.
Yes, it's the umbilical cord. So it was the flexible tube-like structure that connects a fetus to the placenta in the womb, and that's the umbilical cord. That brings us to the end of round 2. At the end of the second round, the scores are Effiduase Senior High Commercial School, 7 points. Tema Secondary School, 16 points. Ghana National College, 34 points. This brings us to round 3, where we have the problem of the day. And this is the round where a common problem is presented to all 3 schools at the same time. They are given 4 minutes to provide a solution on the screen, after which I'll go over to the screens, evaluate their solution, and award marks. When I come back to my seat, I'll present the solution from the consultant and explain how the marks were awarded. At stake in this round, we have the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ star, which will go to the team that scores a perfect score of 10 out of 10. At this stage, a star is worth 2,400 Ghana cedis, where 600 Ghana cedis goes to each contestant and their teacher. The NSMQ star is proudly sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, for every life, for every future. So at this point, I'll kindly ask you to put your pens down, stand in front of your screens, and take your sheet with the problem of the day, so we read together. A rectangle of length x centimeters and width y centimeters has a constant area 96 centimeters squared Express the perimeter P of the rectangle in terms of x. Hence, find the least possible value of the perimeter. You can start work. Stop work. The schools have presented their solutions. I've looked at them, and now I'll present the solution from the consultant. So in this mathematics problem of the day, they were given a rectangle of sides of length x centimeters and width y centimeters, and told that it has a constant area of 96 centimeters squared. They were to express the perimeter P of the rectangle in terms of x, and then find the least possible values of the perimeter. So here you have a rectangle, you know its length and its width. Its area would therefore be the length by the width. So area equals xy centimeters squared. And you've been given this as 96 centimeters squared. Therefore, y is 96 on x. If you came to this, you had 2 marks. The perimeter P is the sum of double the sides. So 2x plus 2y centimeters equals the perimeter. So if you put the value of y in here, you come to 2x plus 192 on x, all in centimeters. You have another 2 marks for that. You differentiate to get the least possible value. So dp dx will be 2 minus 192 on x squared equals 0. Therefore, x squared equals 96, and here x will give you 4 root 6. You come to, you would have 2 marks for this as well. You again differentiate, and then you come to p. So you come to, the double differentiation will give you 384 on x cubed is greater than 0. And here x equals 4 root 6. So the least possible value of the perimeter here will be 2, you have 4 root 6, right? So 2 times 4 root 6 plus 192 over 4 root 6. You solve this and you should come to 16 root 6 centimeters. And if you solved up to this point, you'd have another 4 marks to make up for 10. So to the solutions from our schools, Tema Secondary, they were able to express a perimeter. They were able to find y to be 96 on x. They attempted expressing the perimeter in terms of x, but it didn't add up right there. And also, I think from there, that was it. They were able to differentiate and come to 4 root 6 for the least possible values. And so they would have a total of 4 points. Effiduase Senior High Commercial School, they were able to solve through up till, I think, the last point where they were to do the sums to come to 16 root 6 centimeters, but they weren't able to get to that point. And also, so they should have 9 points, but then I'll penalize them because the perimeter, they were to determine the perimeter and express the perimeter, and you should give units because we already gave them the size as centimeters. So they should add on units to that, but they didn't, so they will lose 1 mark for that, and that will give them a total of 8 points. Ghana National College was able to solve up till the last point. They gave the units right, but they couldn't come to the final answer of 16 root 6 centimeters. At the very last point, I think they were bailed out, so they have 9 out of 10. Before we go on to the next round, Effiduase Senior High Commercial School would like Samuel to come on for Henry. Round 4. This is a true or false round, where statements will be given to each school in turns. A correctly answered question will fetch 2 points. An incorrect answer will attract a penalty point of 1. You can decide not to answer, in which case another school can ring for that question. For the full benefit of 2 points. If they answer that question correctly, they get 2 points. If the answer is incorrect, then there's a penalty point of 1. At stake in this round, we have the Jupe Money Transfer $20 promo, where during this NSMQ season, when alumni abroad send money to Ghana using their school's exclusive promo codes, Jupe will reward the school with $20 for developmental projects in the school. Alumni are encouraged to check the NSMQ social media pages for their school's promo code. The true or false round is proudly sponsored by Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via Jupe. Once again in this round, I'll start with Effiduase Senior High. Effiduase, all Bronsted-Lowry bases are Arrhenius bases. Yes, Samuel.
It's true.
Come again?
It's true.
No, it's false. Ghana National. The pH of a 0.10 mole per dm cube solution of HCl is always 1, regardless of temperature.
False.
Yes, that's false. Tema Secondary. For a weak monoprotic acid, the degree of ionization increases as its concentration decreases.
False.
No, it's true. Effiduase, division is closed on the set of integers.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Ghana National. Division is closed on the set of non-zero rational numbers.
True.
Yes, that's true. Tema Secondary. Division is closed on the set of irrational numbers.
False.
Yes, it's false. Effiduase, chyme. So I'll spell it. I'm not sure if you say chyme or chyme, but C-H-Y-M-E. So that's what we are talking about, okay? Chyme is a semi-solid mixture of partially digested food and stomach fluids. Yes.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Ghana National. Chyme protects the stomach from the action of digestive enzymes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Tema Secondary. When chyme enters the duodenum from the stomach, it influences the secretion of bicarbonates from the pancreas.
True.
Repeat that.
True.
Yes, it's true. A preamble. Consider 3 distinct radionuclides, A, B, and C, where A and B are isotopes, and B and C are isobars. I'll take that again. Consider 3 distinct radionuclides, A, B, and C. A and B are isotopes, and B and C are isobars. Effiduase, A and C can be isotopes. Yes.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Ghana National, B and C can be isotones.
False.
Yes, it's false. Tema, A and C can be isotones.
True.
Yes, that's true. Effiduase, in a voltaic cell, electrons flow through the salt bridge from the cathode to the anode.
Is a true statement.
No, it's false. Ghana National, in a galvanic cell, oxidation occurs at the cathode, while reduction occurs at the anode.
False.
Yes, it's false. Tema secondary. If the cell potential of a cell is positive, the reaction is spontaneous under standard conditions.
True.
Yes, that's true. Effiduase, a tera, T-E-R-A, is equivalent to 10 raised to the power 12. Yes.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Ghana National, a giga, G-I-G-A, is equivalent to 10 raised to the power 10.
False.
Yes, it's false. Tema secondary, a pico, P-I-C-O, is equivalent to 10 raised to the power negative 9.
False.
Yes, that's false. Effiduase, climate change is an important factor causing algal blooms. Yes.
It's false.
No, it's true. Ghana National, some algal species are non-toxic, but still bloom excessively under favorable conditions.
True.
Yes, that's true. Tema secondary. Warm temperatures can decrease algal growth and increase water mixing, resulting in stagnant conditions that are perfect for algae.
False.
Yes, that's false. Our last set of questions for this round, and this is a preamble. A neutral metal ball suspended by insulating, I'll take that again. A neutral metal ball suspended by an insulating string is attracted by a positively charged rod close to but not touching the ball. The ball is attracted to the rod because, Effiduase, the ball contains more electrons than protons.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Ghana National, protons flow from the ball to ground when the rod is near the ball.
False.
Yes, that's false. Tema secondary. Electrons flow from ground to the ball when the rod is near the ball.
False.
Yes, that is false. And that brings us to the end of round 4. At the end of round 4, the scores are Effiduase Senior High Commercial School, 22 points. Tema Secondary School, 33 points. Ghana National College, 59 points. Round 5. In the final round of this contest, we have 4 riddles. The schools will be assisted to solve for these riddles with a set of clues. At any time while a clue is being read, if you believe you have an answer, you can ring your bell. I'll pause and allow you to give your answer. If you give the correct answer on the first clue, 5 points. On the second, 4. Any other clue, you have 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's no penalty. You don't lose any marks. However, the attempt at each riddle is just 1. So it means you'd have to wait and come back for the next riddle. Also in this round, if you're able to answer 3 or 4 riddles correctly, you earn some money from goal. If you answer 3 riddles correctly, your team receives 1,200 cedis from goal. If you answer all 4 riddles, you earn 1,600 cedis from goal in what we call the Goal Riddle Bonanza. The Goal Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goal, Good Energy. For our first riddle, I am a substance not born in nature, although I have ancient roots. My parents are 2 metals. When they unite, I shine with a golden hue. Musicians. Yes, Effiduase.
Brass.
Yes, I am brass. Our next riddle. I am a type of material. I am usually non-magnetic. I am usually electrically insulating. I have a high electrical polarizability. I am the type of material that fills the space. Yes, Ghana National.
Dielectric material.
Yes, I'm dielectric material. Our next riddle. I am a phenomenon in evolutionary biology. My name is derived from a Latin word, which means a great-great-great-grandfather, or more generally, an ancestor. I have been observed in humans, such as with infants born with vestigial tails? Yes, Effiduase.
Homology.
No. For the benefit of Ghana National and Tema Secondary. I can also be seen in humans who possess large teeth, like those of other primates. I am the phenomenon in which a phenotypic trait reappears in an organism after Ghana National.
Atavism.
Yes, I am atavism. Our last riddle. I am a statistical measure. I am not a measure of location. However, there's something mean about me. Yes, Effiduase.
Mean deviation.
Yes, our mean deviation. That brings us to the end of round 5. Thank you for joining us for this contest. We look forward to welcoming you for our next contest, which promises to be also exciting. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Girl PLC and supported by Momo from MTN, Joy News, Pepsodent, Prudential Life Insurance, Jupe Money Transfer, Truster AI, Adanse Travels, Rwand Air, Kivo Gari, Spain City Laundromat, Coronation Insurance, Secure Sanitary Pad, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissue, Imago from Hashcom, GTP, and YFM. The scores at the end of the contest are Effiduase Senior High Commercial School, 28 points. Tema Secondary School, 33 points. Ghana National College, 65 points. Ghana National College, congratulations to you. With that convincing win, you qualify for the final stage. Well done. Also, you stand the chance to win the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage is worth 2,000 Ghana cedis. But this is if your score remains the highest for the day. Best wishes with that. The Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. My name is Thelma Hinieje, your quiz mistress. This is a Primetime production. See you soon.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Red Hour receipt now!
Boss, let's go back. Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh.
She's here. Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.